Hello. So we are going to import our into our iPad. I'm going to use Goodnotes today. So the first thing you need to do is open up your browser on your iPad. So use Google Chrome or Safari, whatever, and go to Etsy.com. On the top right hand corner, you're going to click your username, your user picture, and you're going to go to Purchases and Reviews. On the right hand side, you're going to click the black bar that says download files. You see this has, this is the page where all your orders are. So you would go to the one that you purchased, go to the download files for that. So we're going to do the rainbow planner, and it says download rainbow planner, and click the download box. And that's going to open up this document. The planners that are bigger are in Dropbox, and you're going to click the picture, and then from here it opens up Dropbox, and you'll see you can get freebies at the Planner Hub. You have your cover, how to install it, and you're just going to click on your Rainbow Life Planner. You're going to click on your planner, and it's going to open up. Now we're going to download this to our iPad, and on the right hand side, the down arrow with the line up under it, click direct download. You can save it to your Dropbox if that's what you're doing, but I'm doing direct download, and I'm going to select download. And the circle around the down arrow, you'll see your planner's loading up, and after it loads, we're going to click it, and it's going to open it up, and now we're going to share it. So the square with the up arrow on the top right hand side, this is how you open it up. So my screen record, it's skipped a little ahead. So anyway, we downloaded it right here, the circle down arrow. We click the rainbow planner, and that opens up a new window. And this box right here in the top right hand corner with the square and the arrow pointing up, this is where you will import your digital planner into your annotation app. So I'm actually going to copy mine into Goodnotes. So I'm going to select copy to Goodnotes. But if you're using something different, just scroll through and find yours and then select it. But if you don't see your annotation app there, click on the three dots for the box that says more on the far right corner, and you'll be able to scroll through here, and you should find your app. If you're using Notability, if you try to use this first one and it doesn't work, Notability suggests that you open up that more box and select the one that says copy to Notability. And if your annotation app, you want to add it to your favorites bar, you select edit, hit the plus sign, and now that app is going to be accessible in your favorites. So I'm just going to scroll to Goodnotes 5. I'm going to click copy to Goodnotes. Here it says import as new document. You click import as new document, and it's loading it up. And you just let it finish, and then it opens it up automatically. And now you have your digital planner loaded into your annotation app, and you can have some fun. So in Goodnotes, if you want the hyperlinks to work, this pencil right here on the top right hand, it has to have that circle around it in order for the links to work. If you want to start writing, you have to have the pencil with the line through it, and then you just start like playing with it, I will survive. But anyway, that's how you that is how you import your digital planner, and have fun planning, you guys. Until next time.